Hello, my name is Gurnoor Kaur and I recently did my internship at Unified Mentor. I'm excited to share my experience and projects I worked on during this time. This internship was an incredible opportunity for me to sharpen my skill and build projects. I have completed 6 projects during this internship. 4 were basic and 2 were advanced. First one was Virtual Pet Simulator. This was a fun project where I created a cartoon-styled virtual pet that responds to user interactions like feeding and sleeping. It had sprite animation, energy bars, and mood tracking, all in a cute retro style UI. Second one was Memory Card Game. I built the theme memory game with easy, medium, and hard levels. It featured a timer, flip animation, and animal image card. Then the third was a recipe book web app. This project allowed users to add, view, and store recipes with images and instruction. It used local storage for data persistence and had a pixel art aesthetic style. Then the fourth one was Expense Tracker, a basic finance app where users could track expenses, manage budgets, and view analytics using chart.js. It includes navigation across dashboard, transaction, and player pages. Now, for the advanced projects, I built 2 of them. The first one being a clinic management system. This was a real-time application for doctors and receptionists. Receptionists could assign tokens to patients while doctors accessed queues and updated prescriptions. I used Firebase authentication for secure login and Firebase for sync data. Then the second one was a Homey Kitchen. I named it Homey Kitchen. It was a catering system. This web-based catering management system featured login signups for admin, ordering view, and item uploading to a shared menu, all powered by Firebase. The UI was designed in a pixel art style to make it visually appealing. That's it for my projects. Thank you, Unified Mentor, for this opportunity. This internship is a big step towards my web development journey. Thank you.